not think this was going to be possible, everyone. This is something that when I first saw this product, I didn't think I was going to be lucky enough to get my hands on this. But here we are, 2024, the first generation of the Apple Vision Pro is here, and we're going to take a look at it. And I just want to let you guys know, for those of you that are watching for the first time, this is a huge milestone for my YouTube channel, because this is the first time I've ever adapted a first generation product. This is the first time I have done anything like this, and I want to give a huge shout out before this video starts to my loving mother and father for being able to help in being support by helping me acquire this. I also did put in on this, but I want to say that this video doesn't have a sponsor from a company, but it's the sponsor of loving mom and dad. I want to thank them for this, for making this really possible. I love you, mom and dad. Thank you guys for believing in me, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. But guys, here it is, the Vision Pro, the long-awaited VR, AR headset glasses, and I can't wait to break it in. So let's not waste any time. Let's get a first reaction. Let's get an unboxing. Come on in, camera guy, camera girl. And here it is. This is the box of the Vision Pro. I'm still in disbelief that I got this thing. I got the 256 gigabyte option. I did not feel the need to get 512 terabyte of storage. Let's put it face down. Let's pull the tabs off. Again, this is a first generation product. A lot of people are very nervous when it comes to adopting first generation products, because you know the second, the third, and the fourth generation products are gonna get better. But I feel like being an early adopter, you kind of have the benefit of saying, I've seen it, what it was like before, and I think that this is going to be a very significant product for Apple. But we're going to lift this box up, and there it is. Wow! So this is the thing that Apple claims is going to be the way of the future. This is the Vision Pro. Now, it is wrapped in this fabric, this covering, so it does protect it. They do sell a case in the Apple Store, and I like also real quickly that they position it just like this. This is a really nice presentation. But the case is sold separately. It's for $200. Ain't no way I'm paying 200 bucks for a case. Probably get it on the market for 50 bucks. But we'll take a look at the goggles in just a second. Let's see what else we get inside of the box when we open it up. This is probably the most accessories Apple's ever given. So we have here a polishing cloth. So this is something that actually Apple sells separately. So it's nice to see that a polishing cloth that you can get from anywhere is included with a $3,600 purchase. This is a light seal cushion. So this helps to add a nice light feel texture to the Vision Pro should you have any issues with it. Let's pull it out here. All right, so this is the cushion. This also helps to apply the pressure, so that way you don't have much pressure on your head. So that way it's easier when you put the goggles on. So that's nice that they include that. We'll put this back in the box. Don't really need the polishing cloth. Over here is actually a visual booklet. I've never seen, look at this. I have never seen a booklet from Apple that has visual details, that has visual graphics. Like, I've never seen this. Like, usually their books are similar, but they don't go like this. So that's how you know they're going all out with the Vision Pro. This is how you know they are really going in on this product, because this is a first of its kind. So that's the book that comes with this. Again, I'm going to leave everything the way it is. I'm not going to trash it up too much. We also have here a dual band loop, which essentially doubles to add more security and protection on your head. So let's say you want to wear this thing and you don't like the regular seal as is, you can connect them here on the side. They are magnetic and they go around the top of your head. You put them on and they wrap around, giving you a better seal. It shows you how to do it. Thankfully, I had a medium-sized skull, so you also get a USB-C cable. Very nice, thank you, Apple. They also include a power adapter in the box. About time, don't you think? Charging people $1,200 with no charging brick. It's a USB-C 30-watt brick, so free brick to use. And of course, the main battery pack, which is what the Vision Pro uses when you power this thing on. So again, that's really everything here in the box. I'm gonna put this all off to the side. Again, this is all the accessories that come in it. You get your charger, you get your cable, you get the dual loop, you also get the light seal. So this is everything that comes inside of the box, and I'm gonna open up the battery here. We're gonna take this out, show you guys. It's using that same woven material that Apple has been using for a while. The magnetic ring that the Vision Pro attaches to is proprietary because obviously Apple would have had it no other way. The connector for the battery is over here, and the battery connector is a form of lightning, but it uses USB-C to charge, so you can have it on at all times. And we're gonna open this up. We'll say the battery is on the heavy side, actually. I was kind of surprised when they showed it off, but it actually kind of feels almost like an iPhone. Just a big battery. But this is what it looks like. So now comes the main star of the show, and I think the one that everybody's been waiting for, or probably skipped to, the Vision Pro. So let's pull these things off. Let's get this opening. I want to do this all on camera. They had the option at the Apple Store to do this, but I chose not to. I said I want to do this at home. So here is the band. This is what it uses in the back, so that way you can stretch out. It kind of doubles. You can shrink it here. You can move it in. You can move it out. It seems very adjustable. We're gonna pull the cover off without breaking anything. Again, don't want to break anything. Let's get this bad boy off. There it is. Now again, this will protect the front, and this is what it looks like on the front of the goggles. I'm gonna put it on. Now again, I can't see anything on here, but first impressions, it's a little bit on the loose side, but with a few adjustments here, I can adjust the headband. Okay, there we go. All right, we can make that fine adjustment, so now it's on a lot better. The cushion seal feels pretty good. I can't complain, but again, we'll have to see how it looks when we put it on in the real world. So let's loosen the band in the back here. And taking a look at the goggles themselves, there is speakers built into it. So you have speakers on this side, speaker on this side, you have the head loop. And again, when you go like this, it tightens it and loosens it, so it makes it easier for you to adjust. And this is the seal here, so if you want, you can actually interchange. So here's what you can do. You can take off the regular loop that Apple has inside, and you can get the swappable cushion right here on. And yes, this is actually a much better fit. I think I like this one a lot more. Let's tighten the band. And yes, this one does feel a lot better. So this one works more. Can't believe I'm that big idiot that wears a goggle on his head. Things for YouTube, people. But now let's power it on. All right, there we go. All right, we got it on. The light is on the side here, and the Apple logo just popped up in the front. The Apple logo is right here. So it looks like we've got this thing powered up. So now we're gonna grab my iPhone. We're gonna see how this thing turns on. I'm gonna put it on my face right now. There we go. And so far we see there is some color coming through. Ooh, the visuals have started up. It's directing what to do, how to do this. Press and hold to align. So we're gonna press that. The music is playing. I don't know if you can hear that, but we just started it up. Apple logo. Whoa. Okay. Okay, now this. Okay, this is freaky. Holy. Whoa. Press the digital crown to begin. Okay. Now again, this is, guys, I know it's hard for you to see. I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna try to, it senses the Vision Pro on my iPhone. We're gonna set it up to continue. We're just gonna put the password in, setting up the Vision Pro. Again, guys, I wanna show this to you from my perspective. So we're gonna set this up when we get in. I'm gonna screen record it. So let's set this thing up here, and I will be back in just a moment. So see you guys very soon.
Let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now raise your eyebrows.
And wow. So this is Vision OS. Now, before we continue, we are going to get the share. So now, guys, you're gonna see what I'm seeing. So now I am going to try to figure out how to get the the screen recording going so you can see what I'm seeing, and then you'll get to see me use Home OS. So be back in just a sec. Everything here, and this is what Vision Pro looks like. Now, hopefully you guys are gonna be able to see what I see, but again, this is with my camera person standing behind me, who's my mother, by the way, guys. And this is incredible because I am seeing the home screen here. There is a lot of stuff here to do. Obviously, I'm going to show her back. There are some stuff here that I don't want to show, so we're going to look at the apps here. Let's take a look at the environments, because Apple really touted that you could see environments around you. So they have a lot of options here. I'm going to start with the morning light. Adjust the crown here, it says, for your environment. Okay, so here we go. So it adjusts the light in the room, so it makes everything look brighter, so you can see things brighter. There's a little bit of some kind of voice in the back, but it does seem like there is an effect. I'm gonna try Yosemite. I wanna see what Yosemite. Whoa, that is insane. It covers everything, and you're looking up at Yosemite Park. Now, of course, this side of the room is still intact. I can still see the parts of my house, but in front of me right now is just, it's just Yosemite, like the mountains. Let's try another one. Let's go with the moon. I want to see the moon. Wow. So it's like you're actually, well, again, all this is here, but the image in front of you is where you see it. Now you can adjust, so you can adjust the dial crown, so you can adjust the image. So whenever you're in this image, so if you want to turn the image off in the back, so like I see you in the background, and then when I turn the crown all the way, I see nothing but the moon. Like I'm looking around now I don't even see you. Now I just see the entire moon. Like I'm actually standing, like if I stand up right now, like I literally am on the moon. Like this is all virtual reality. Now again, you exit out, you press the button, the Joshua tree, let's try that. And again, it's all around me. Like this is all here. Like I see my hands, I can move around. Again, you can't really touch anything, but you can look up. It's like, wow, this is insane. So let's take a look and see what we can look at with some apps. Let's see what we can look at. Again, guys, I will be making more videos so you can see more things. Let's go to Apple TV. So you can watch Apple TV originals. So like, see right here, I have some of my shows, Monarch, Legacy of Monsters. Again, I'll have to log into my iTunes account. So again, you can see all this, but again, I'm scrolling here. In the background, again, it does have the visual apps. So if you want to change that, you can take the environment aspect out of it, and we can just change it. So again, we're gonna remove the background here. We're gonna turn the background off. So now I'm back in the real world. So again, I see you, but I can change it and adjust accordingly to whatever. You have your contacts, you have people, we got photos, notes, the App Store settings, music. So this is what the music is in Apple Music. Again, I will do all this later, guys. But this is just a first impressions. Again, this is all here. Like you can put one tablet right here. I'm looking at a screen. Then I have Ted Lasso or whatever. So this is really impressive stuff. Like I did not think that this was going to be a factor, like the way Apple has integrated the virtual reality. So again, I'm going to take some time with this. I'm going to sit down and learn it, but I hope you guys are able to see what I'm seeing. And again, there will be more videos like this, guys, because this thing does have a 2.5 hour battery life. So you're going to have to plug this thing in. You're going to have to keep it plugged in if you want to work, but I will show some demos when I'm working with my Mac, when I'm working with my iPad, my iPhone. So those videos are coming. So stay tuned, everyone, for these videos. Make sure you subscribe. But my first impressions of Vision Pro is incredible. I've never seen anything like this, and I can't believe that this is even a reality. So guys, I appreciate you all taking the time here. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you all next time. Have a great night. Take care, and we will get going very soon.